Hey folks, what's up? So it's winter and it's cold, so let's talk about the work. So in this video I'll be telling you about how to make your phone, your old phone, to make it better. So you can make your old phone better, and if you are not able to afford a new phone or you want to stick with your old phone, then this video is for you. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So hey guys, it's Ujjwal here and you're watching Linux Neo, and today's video I'll be telling you how to make your phone, old phone, better. So this is for rooted and unrooted, for both users. If you have rooted your phone and if you haven't rooted your phone, then it doesn't matter. So I'll be telling you the steps and what you need to do. So let me tell you what is the benefit of the root. If you are a rooted user, you can tweak as much as you want with your phone, but there is also a limit. If you cross the limit, your phone might break. So that's the reason you don't have to overclock too much or playing with the buggy kernels. So let's get forward. So number one is uninstall unwanted apps. So you may have so many unwanted apps that you don't use and you use very rarely, so make sure to uninstall all the apps, and that's it. So number two is disabling your system apps. So you don't have to disable the system apps to all the system apps. Like some bloatwares, they're present, like if you have pre-installed Skype, pre-installed dictionary, or pre-installed some Micromax apps or something like that, so that are called bloatwares. So you don't use them. If you don't use them, go to the system settings and disable them. So what this will do, it will make your phone a little bit faster. Okay, so let's get into the tree number. So if you are using if you have an older phone, you may have Clean Master or something similar to that app. So you should not use those apps. Okay, if you are using a booster app that pretends to make your phone boost, then that's not okay. So make sure to uninstall your Clean Master or whatever similar to that app is that makes your phone boost. Actually, that doesn't boost your phone, it actually slows your phone down. So make sure to uninstall those apps. So let's get moving to the number 4. So you may have an antivirus. Yeah, everybody knows that antivirus is very useful, and it's for protecting your files and your documents as well as your personal passwords. So well, it's not so useful. Okay, so if you are running Android, Marshmallow or above, so you don't need the antivirus because the patches are already available in the operating system. So if you are using Marshmallow or above operating system, then you don't have to install the antivirus otherwise. So the thing is, don't install or uninstall the antivirus that you have currently in your old phone. So maybe it will protect your phone from the viruses, but it's not all useful. It's very rare, and well, I don't use the antivirus. So number 5 is clean your caches. Yes, if you are a computer programmer or you're learning about the smartphones, or if you are also a normal user, then you might know what the cache is. It's actually files that are called the temporary files. So that are the temporary files you have in your phone. You can delete them and they are no need to use. So you can go to the system settings, then go to storage, and there you will see clear caches. So click that and your cache will be cleared. So that those are actually the temporary files, and they are basically the stuff that you surf on internet. Well, you will not lose your passwords or something that you have stored. It will actually delete the temporary files that that transfers the file that when you are surfing the internet or you are using your phone, I mean you are using an application. So that's it. So number 6 is, if your phone is draining, I mean your battery is draining too much and you are so worried, and well, you can't afford a new phone because you don't have money. So to fix your phone, I mean if you want to gain your battery backup, then just download any battery repair app and just fix the cells. So actually it will fix your cells and make your battery backup, and I mean it will boost your battery backup. So let's get into the number 7. So number 7 is disabling all the options that you don't use. So there are in the operating system there are so many things that you have to disable. I mean if you are not using the location, then you might turn off the location in your status bar or your notification bar, or if you are not using the Wi-Fi, then turn it off. If you constantly keep it on, then it will drain your battery if you even after if you are not using that feature. So don't turn on any features that you don't need. If you need, then you just turn on and turn it off. So what it will basically be that it will not drain too much if you turn them off that you don't use. So let's get forward. So if this all stuff doesn't work for you, then you might go with the root option. So go with the root option. I'll be recommending you that you go with the root option, and the thing is I'll not be responsible for it. So do it at your own risk and don't blame me for what you messed up with your phone. So number 8 is rooting your phone and using apps to tweak your phone. Okay, so there are some apps that if after rooting your phone you will be able to use those apps that needed root, and well, root doesn't harm your phone, but it actually the validity, I mean what we call the patches that are disabled, I mean those patches will not be available for you, but it still works and you don't need to worry about that. It's just a little bit. So go with the root option and use apps that you can tweak your phone. So in the next video I'll be telling you how to tweak your phone with those apps, and I'll be mentioning those apps in that video. So let's get into the number 9. So number 9 is installing custom recovery and installing the custom ROM. So the benefit of your custom ROM will be good battery backup and good performance, and also as well as stock Android. So these are the things that will boost your phone, and yeah, it will be very good if you do this. So go with it and do it at your own risk. So I will not be responsible. And if you don't know how to install custom recovery and custom ROM, the video is in the description, I mean the link, and go check out. So let's move into the number 10. So number 10 is, if you want to boost your custom ROM, then use better thermals and also tweak your phone, root with the Magisk manager or go with SuperSU, your choice. So these all 10 steps are for the old phone that you can make better and use it. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. So see you in the next video.